Hello students, this is a revision worksheet 29 related to chapter number 7 fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Example, add 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5. First, we change 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 5 to equivalent fractions. Make same denominator and after that we add these both number. 3 upon 4 multiply by 5 in numerator and denominator, and 2 upon 5 multiply by 4 in numerator and denominator. So here we get, when we multiply these both number with 5 and 4, 15 upon 20 plus 8 upon 20. Now we get the same denominator, 20 and 20. Now we add these both number. We get 23 upon 20. And we also write this number in a mixed fraction because it is an improper fraction. And we write this number as a mixed number. So we write this number as 1 whole 3 upon 20. Now we subtract fractions. 2 upon 4 minus 3 upon 8. Now we apply the same rule here. We make a same denominator. So we multiply 2 upon 4 with 2 and 3 upon 8 with 1. So we get 4 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8. Now we subtract 4 minus 3 upon 8. We get 1 upon 8. So when we subtract 2 upon 4 minus 3 upon 8, we get difference 1 upon 8. Method number 2. Add 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5. We add the same number with the other method. And this method is known as LCM method. First we take a LCM of 4 and 5 and we get 20. Step 2. Divide 20 by the denominator of the first fraction. 20 divided by 4 equal to 5, and multiply quotient by 5 by numerator 3 and write 3 into 5. Now divide 20 by the denominator of the second fraction. 20 divided by 5 and we get quotient 4. Multiply quotient 4 by numerator 2 and write 2 into 4. Now complete as shown. Now it's look like that. 15 plus 8 upon 20. When we add 15 plus 8, we get sum 23 and upon 20. Because it is an improper fraction, so we write as in a mixed number, 1 whole 3 upon 20. Subtract 2 upon 4 minus 3 upon 8. We apply LCM rule here. So we take a LCM 8 here. And now the denominator 4 divide this 8 2 times. And quotient multiply by numerator 2. We apply same rule in 3 upon 8. 8 denominator divide this LCM in 1 time. And this quotient multiply by numerator 3. When we multiply 2 into 2, we get 2 2s are 4 and 1 3s are 3 upon 8. And 4 minus 3, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 8. So when we subtract 2 upon 4 minus 3 upon 8, we get difference 1 upon 8. Multiplication of fractions, product of fractions. So the product of fraction equal to product of numerators upon product of denominators. Example, find 4 upon 7 multiply by 3 upon 5. First, we find product of numerators. And product of numerator is 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. and product of denominators. 7 into 5, 7 5s are 35. So when we multiply 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 5, we get product 12 upon 35. Example B. Find 8 upon 27 multiplied by 15 upon 16. So first we multiply numerators and after that denominators. So 8 into 15 and 15 8s are 120. 27 multiplied by 16, we get product 432. And when we divide 120 and 432, we get 5 upon 18. So when we multiply 8 upon 27 and 15 upon 16, we get product 5 upon 18. Subtraction of mixed number. Here we subtract 2 whole 1 upon 4 from 9 whole 5 upon 12. So step first, subtract the whole numbers. So here the whole number is 9 and 2. First we subtract these both numbers plus now we subtract fraction number 5 upon 12 minus 1 upon 4 and change fractions to equivalent fractions. 1 upon 4 multiply by 3. So we get 3 upon 12 here. Now subtract the fractions. So when we subtract 9 minus 2, we get 7 and plus 5 upon 12 minus 3 upon 12. 7 plus 5 minus 3, 2 and upon 12. And this 2 upon 12 divide by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So we get 7 whole 1 upon 6. So when we subtract 2 whole 1 upon 4 from 9 whole 5 upon 12, we get difference 7 whole 1 upon 6. Example. Now here we take a LCM in a mixed fraction and find difference. Example, subtract 2 whole 1 upon 4 minus 9 whole 5 upon 12. So first we convert mixed number to improper fraction. Now we take a LCM of denominators. So we take a LCM here 12 and 12 divide 12 in one time and after that multiply by numerator 113 minus 4 divide 12 in 3 times and write numerator as it is 9. Now here 1 multiply by 113, it gives product 113 and 3 multiply by 9, it gives 27 and upon 12. When we subtract 27 from 113, we get 86 and denominator 12, 86 upon 12. And we write 86 upon 12 in a mixed fraction 7 whole 2 upon 12. Write 2 upon 12 in its simplest form 1 upon 6. So we write 7 whole 2 upon 12 as 7 whole 1 upon 6. Division of fractions. To understand division of fractions, you should know what reciprocal of a fraction means. Reciprocal of fraction. Rule: to divide fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fractions. The following steps followed are: Step 1. Write the mixed fraction as an improper fraction or a whole number as a fraction the case may be. Step 2. Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Step 3. Write the product in its simplest form. Step 4. Convert. Step 4. Convert into a mixed fraction if the product is an improper fraction. Example: 5 upon 12 divide by 4 upon 15. So here we take a reciprocal of second fraction 4 upon 15. So when we take a reciprocal of fraction, so numerator change into denominator and denominator change into numerator. 5 upon 12 write as it is here, and 4 is numerator here, it's changed into denominator, and 15 denominator here and change into numerator. Now we multiply both number, and here this 12 and 15 divide by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Now we multiply 5 into 5 and 4 into 4. We get 25 upon 16. And we also write this improper fraction in its mixed form, 1 whole 9 upon 16. I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you.